Yeah, I used to shave babies. Got a couple of babies with rabies, I'ma shave them. So let's say that that is the first part of our song, and then we're just trying to come up with how we want the next part of the verse to go, or we want to go into a hook, but we're not really sure what to do. And before Suno, what I would have to do is just try out a bunch of different ideas. It would take me hours sometimes just to figure out what direction I wanted to go in with the song, because there's so many different options. And with Suno, you can just get those ideas in a few seconds, and then you can spend your time doing the actual production. So I'm just going to export this as a WAV file, and now I'm going to go back to Suno and go to this plus audio button and upload, and we're going to upload our baby song. Now we have our song uploaded into our workspace. Got a couple of babies with rabies, I'ma shave them. And what we're going to do is drag this over to here so that the pink box, this is drop here to remix, pops up. And then we're going to change this cover to extend. It has this pink section called keep, and then it has recreate. So wherever it has keep, that's where it's going to keep your original audio. It's not going to make any changes to it. At recreate, that's where extend is going to start. So if you leave in part of your song, it's going to recreate or cover that part of your song. So usually the way I would do this is I just go to the point where I want it to be extended from, so it doesn't really have to create anything. So let's say you like the song and you want like a soulful hook that's about the same thing, you know, and you just want to try it out. For the lyrics, you can actually change the lyrics to prompt mode, and you can just be like soulful hook about shaving and babies. And then for the styles box, this is going to be describing how you want it to extend. So not what it is right now, but what you want it to change to. So if you want to keep that piano melody, you could include the piano. So, and I do want that. So I'm gonna put sampled piano, and then I'm gonna put soulful hook, female vocals, group vocals, layered harmonies, and we'll put boom bap drums, you know, just giving a brief description of what we want it to sound like. And you can really play around with these different sliders. What seems to work best for me is having the weirdness down to 0, style influence to 70, and audio influence all the way to 100. You could bring it down to maybe 80. It really depends on your taste and how much you want it to differentiate itself from your original audio. And I want it to stay pretty close. So that's why I've got the style influence and the audio influence up so high. And you can even choose a custom duration now. Since we're just doing a hook, I'm gonna go for like 45 seconds, and then I'm going to select female for the vocal gender. And also a really important point is that for some reason this works a lot better for me if I switch the model to V5 rather than doing 5.5. And a lot of people even use 4.5 plus because of the creativity. So if you want more creativity, go for 4.5 plus or V5. Their audio quality isn't as good, but if you're just looking for ideas, then that's not really important. And you can get better, more creative ideas with V5 and 4.5 plus. So we are going to create that and see how that sounds.
You in the bathroom, glow tower around your hair. I'm trying to act calm, but I'm already there. Little baby hands, grab my clean white tee. You laugh in my face like you know on me.
That was interesting. It used the same piano melody, but it changed the vibe into more of a major feeling, probably because of the soulful hook. Now you can click get full song, and then you can hear what it sounds like connected to your original audio. So I'm going to play from the end of our song to where the extension starts, so you can hear how it transitions. Hey B, that baby's getting shaved, B.
You in the bathroom, glow tower around your hair. I'm trying to act.
If you change all of these to default settings, Suno will take a little bit more liberty with the instrumental and change it a bit more. And we could even go for something completely different. Let's go to the 10,000 Suno prompts ebook and go for something just ridiculous. Let's change it to metalcore. I am going to change the BPM though to 75 BPM to keep it the same. Emotional emo chorus about shaving the baby shavers to save the shaver babies.
You came in all small hands with a blade in your grin.
The cool thing is, like, it completely changed up the instrumentation and the entire genre, but it kept that same melody from the piano, and it kept the whole vibe of the drums, like the whole style of and rhythm of the drums, even though it changed into a completely new genre. Hey B, that baby's getting shaved, B.
You came in all small hands with a blade in your grin.
This video is sponsored by the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook written by Chill Panic. It comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre.